Hello, Bring a Trailer community. If there is one thing I have learned watching all of these auctions is that a cold start video is always asked for. With me today is my beautiful assistant, coincidentally named Porsche. Hi, Porsche.
Hello.
Can you grab those tips and let the viewers know that this is indeed a cold start video?
Just the tip?
For now.
Okay. Let's get over here. Ooh. Oh yeah, they're nice and chilly for us.
Really chilly, huh? Now just the tip?
Oh, it's never just
Well,
the
let's
tip.
lift up that rear deck.
Okay, let's lift your skirt a little. Oh.
Is that cold?
Oh yes, cold to the touch, baby.
Porsche has spoken. No warning lights. Rear deck is up. That's the only message. All good.